Volvo Cars has unveiled the new XC70 as a plug-in hybrid vehicle for the Chinese market. Volvo is bringing back the XC70 nameplate, which has been out of use since 2016. Once known as the rugged off-road variant of the V70 station wagon, the XC70 now returns as a full-size SUV. According to Volvo, this new model is the brand's first extended-range plug-in hybrid, offering up to 200 kilometers of electric-only driving, the highest range ever in a Volvo. The 2026 XC70 will be positioned between the XC60 and XC90 in the SUV lineup. Up front, the new Volvo XC70 adopts the same shield-like closed grille seen on the brand's latest all-electric models. It's complemented by an active grille shutter integrated into the lower bumper, which automatically opens and closes based on real-time needs, whether for aerodynamics, cooling, or cabin climate, all in the name of maximizing energy efficiency and extending driving range. The iconic Thor's hammer lighting signature has evolved as well. On the XC70, these elements now function as distinctive daytime running lights, while the actual headlights sit just beneath. Equipped with matrix LED technology, they automatically adapt to road and traffic conditions, enhancing visibility and safety without blinding oncoming drivers. At the rear, vertical LED taillights deliver a clean, modern finish that echoes Volvo's signature design DNA that traces back to the V70 Cross Country, the spiritual predecessor of today's XC lineup. After all, XC began with that very car. The all-new Volvo XC70 is set to launch in late third quarter, with a starting price of around 400,000 yuan, roughly 55,000 USD. While it's initially targeting the Chinese market, Volvo hasn't confirmed global availability just yet. But with its extended electric range, revived nameplate, and cutting-edge tech, the XC70 looks poised to become a key player in the brand's hybrid future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.